Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. Today is 7 January 2021 and the day is Thursday. And according to Gujarati calendar, it is Makshar Vad Noem. Please get ready for the prayers.
प्रभु प्रार्थना मन प्रेम तारो आप जे प्रभु प्रार्थना मन प्रेम तारो आप जे હું કઈ ખોટું કામ કરું તો ત્યારે મુજને વાળજે હું કઈ ખોટું કામ કરું તો ત્યારે મુજને વાળજે હું કરું પ્રભુ પ્રાર્થના मन प्रेम तारो आपजे प्रभु प्रार्थना मन प्रेम तारो आपजे जीवन छे संग्राम कोईनी जीत कोईनी हार छे जीवन छे संग्राम कोईनी जीत कोईनी हार छे જાણું છું આ સંસાર સુખ દુઃખનો સાર છે જાણું છું આ સંસાર સુખ દુઃખનો સાર છે હું હારથી ન હારી જાઉં એવી હિંમત આપજે હું હારથી ન હારી જાઉં એવી હિંમત આપજે હું કરું પ્રભુ પ્રાર્થના मन प्रेम तारो आपजे प्रभु प्रार्थना मन प्रेम तारो आपजे प्रेम तारो आपजे प्रेम तारो आपजे
Now Hemang is going to recite a poem which talks about how youth can help the world. The youth is developing in many different ways and which will contribute and provide services to the world. Our youth is our future.
The healthy adolescents, when they grow into perfect personalities, educated, empowered citizens, the youth, the real inheritors of future. Their eyes are glittering with enthusiasm. They can take challenging jobs here. They can face anything, different problems. They can make the world a friendly one. The song of unity irrespective of diversity. The song of humanity in place of destruction. The song of peace in place of wars. Dialogues strengthening the ruling systems. The challenge is big, but they are capable to face it. The world requires their service, strong muscles, nerves, and intelligence.
Now Kabir Takkan is going to give a speech.
Good morning. On the 12th of January, National Youth Day is celebrated and the government encourages young entrepreneurs to come up with innovative ideas and plans to make our country an economic superpower in the upcoming decade. National Youth Day has been given a push by the campaign Stand Up India and Startup India, started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The main objective of National Youth Day and the reason for its observance is to create a platform for youth and address their problems in various spectrums of life. This day is a day of great inspiration for every Indian youth. It is a day for taking new resolutions. On this day, India had received such a great entity in the form of Swami Vivekananda that is still energizing our country, constantly inspiring us and showing us the way forward. Swami Vivekananda viewed the youth of India as a strong link to a glorious past and a grand future. Vivekananda used to say that all power is within you. Call upon that power. You must believe that you can do everything. This belief in oneself and turning the impossible into possible is still relevant to the youth of the country, and I am glad that youth of India understands this very well. The youth is moving forward with self-belief on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. National Youth Day is celebrated across the country, especially in schools, colleges and government institutions. The teachings, philosophies and ideologies of Swami Vivekananda are propagated through universities, schools and colleges on National Youth Day every year. In the year 2020, on the 12th January, the theme of Youth Day was channelizing youth power for nation building. The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda and the way he has lived his life inspires millions of youth, not just in India but around the world. The teaching of peace and wisdom that Swami Vivekananda followed is inculcated to students by universities, colleges and governmental institutions across India. Given to the gravity of the impact that Swami Vivekananda and his philosophy had on the people of India back then, the teachings have been thoroughly followed for centuries. Thank you.
The theme of our assembly is National Youth Day. National Youth Day is celebrated on the 12th of January, being Swami Vivekananda's birthday. Now, Devansh Patel is going to recite a poem.
Today I am going to recite a poem that talks about how the youth withstands all difficulties and stands tall with pride. So here's how it goes. कड़कती धूप हो या गिरती बिजलियां, सामना करे हम युवा, या फिर चले गर्दिशों की हवा, झेले सीने पर हम युवा हैं, हम युवा, हर तरंग हर उमंग है युवा, हर जिंदगी की धड़कने है युवा, हम युवा हैं, हम युवा, पूरी दुनिया का दर्द जिसमें समा, हर दिन की कश्मकश से परे, ना था युवा और ना है युवा, आरज़ू लिए और जिस्तजू किए, चल पड़े कठिन राह पर युवा, टूट पड़े चाहे लाखों मुश्किलें, अब नहीं रुकेंगे ये युवा, हम युवा हैं, हम युवा, आने वाले बीते पल के हम युवा हैं, हम युवा, नई सुबह के हम नए युवा.
Today's point to Socho is going to be said by Vishesh. The point to Socho is on youth and how they are handling responsibilities and technology of this era.
The National Youth Day is celebrated because it is the birthday of the great Swami Vivekananda. On this day, it is important to remember the great accomplishments made by the youth of India in various fields such as science as well as arts. One great example would be Anant Tadar, who is a class 11 student from Arunachal Pradesh and has developed a pair of goggles to help the visually impaired to navigate hands-free. Another great example would be a 18-year-old from Tamil Nadu who has designed the world's smallest satellite and has been launched into space by NASA in June 2017. It, being a 64-gram satellite, has been a great accomplishment for every citizen of India. These examples, however, were great exceptions, as the general youth of India is clearly seen as being too much in control of their gadgets and especially the social media, such as Instagram, Snapchat, or WhatsApp. One of the most prominent cons of using gadgets would be losing your creativity, as is seen in many cases and also proven in studies. Even though the gadget and social media decreases creativity of the youth, they increase the maturity levels as well as the awareness that the kids have when compared to the previous generations. This also lead to more responsibilities added to kids at a younger age and also great amount of initiatives taken than previous generations. This can also show how the youth, even though is lacking in some areas, does have a good understanding and awareness of right and wrong in the society, and so has a great potential to provide to the society in need.
Now Yashvi is going to perform a dance on the song Dance Monkey. Please enjoy.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and let's the morning light. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style.
John D. Rockefeller said, "Don't be afraid to give up the good for the great." On that note, let's end today's assembly. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.